When communities come together at schools, parks, campuses, and sports facilities, access to clean, reliable hydration makes a difference. At Haws, our outdoor bottle fillers and drinking fountains are designed for high-use environments and all-weather conditions. With the smallest installation footprint in the industry, our ADA-accessible hydration stations are easy to install and fit seamlessly into any outdoor space. Their durable, modular designs offer flexible configurations, tailored options, and long-lasting performance, including pet-friendly accessories that ensure even your four-legged companions stay hydrated. Need even cleaner water? Add integrated filtration for safer hydration on the go. Outdoor hydration stations promote reusable bottle use for healthier habits and help build more environmentally conscious communities. Wherever life happens, Haws delivers hydration that's reliable, adaptable, and sustainable. Explore more at hawsco.com/hydration or call 1-888-640-4297.